Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a Colombian with a man turn. Now, knowing how to do a Colombian already would be really helpful. In fact, knowing how to do a Colombian with a turn for the ladies would be really helpful. Links to that in the description below, so it's nice, easy and quick for you to find that if you want to go back and look at it. But the move itself looks like this. Obviously a Colombian could be any length, and this is going to be the version where you do a man turn starting synchronized, so you both go behind together and in front together, and of course after the turn, just like the lady turn, you'll be asynchronous, which means one of you is going to be going behind when the other one is going in front. And for a change, we're going to do the return exit in the opposite direction. So instead of leading the lady to carry on into a return, we're going to use the bounce you would get in a Colombian Back and give the return the other direction, which is great if you're short of space. Okay, so the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8, back, in, twist, step behind, in front, behind, in front, behind, in front, return and back. So let's break that down. It starts off with the guys and ladies going behind and in front together. So we go back, in, twist. So we're going to go step behind, step in front. So normal Colombians now. This step behind is going to be the turn for the guy. So we have to still lead the ladies, which is going to be the tricky bit for this. So what happens is you come square, you're going to have to release with the right hand. As the lady goes behind, so she's going to get her lead to go behind, guys, we're going to turn to our right, turn our back to the lady. The lady's hand is in our left. We are going to continue to turn, and we're going to take the hand from behind our back into our right across to bring the lady square. Got to transfer back into the left and start to be coming to pick up the lady's shoulder. Ladies, of course, you're going to go back to the guy's shoulder. Guys are going to go behind, because you normally do after your turn if you start off behind, but we're going to bring the lady through in front. Then it's back to a standard Colombian, but an asynchronous one. So we go square, ladies go behind, guys go in front. Square, guys are going to go behind, ladies in front. And we're going to change direction, so there's a rock, and we're going to lead a return immediately for the lady with the left, return and back. The timing is exactly what you'd expect from a lady turn, except in this case it's going to be the man doing the turn instead. So nothing new to learn from a timing point of view. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, Colombian man turn. We go a back, in, twist, step behind, in front, behind, in front, behind, in front, return and back. And that's it, whole thing. Colombian with a man turn. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, so if you like the move, hit that one. Subscribing promotes the channel, so big thank you to everyone who does that, because that's why we're able to do this, is people actually subscribing to the channel. And the notification bell will tell you every time a new video comes out if you have notifications turned on. Music recommendation on the end. In the last few moments of the video, there's some windows that come up. One of those will be a music recommendation, give you something nice to practice this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.